નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead in the next figures of speech which is there in your syllabus, in your text. Last time I explained one sentence. This time the same sentence I explained to you. It means in a line there can be more than one figures of speech. Is it so? Yeah, it is possible. How it can be? Let's move ahead here with the same. Next figures of speech is transferred epithet. I got transferred from here to there. Means I shifted from here to there. The word transfer means from here to there, there to here. Next word is epithet. Epithet is equal to adjective. What is the meaning of adjective? We have already completed it. A word or a phrase that explains the noun, describes the noun, describes the characteristic of noun. That is known as adjective. Another name of adjective is equal to epithet. What is the characteristic of adjective? Mostly in all the languages, this would be the structure. First of all, adjective will be used. Next to that one, noun will be given. Somewhere else, may be possible. First of all, noun would be there. Next to that one, adjective would be there. Nothing is impossible. But up to 90-95% this is possible. This is also possible. I cannot deny for this. But this structure is not used anywhere else. And adjective is transferred at any other place of the sentence. The usually sentence structure, so far as English language is concerned, S plus V plus O is the usual action, usual structure of the sentence, basic sentence. S plus V plus O. Suppose that here subject is used, subject is equal to noun, then adjective is used here. This is the example of transferred epithet. You see here, adjective is used here, and that adjective is for object. That is the example of transferred epithet, which is used where? That you will judge, that you will pluck, and that is the identity of transferred epithet. What is given here in this definition of transferred epithet? Let's move ahead with transferred epithet. Here an epithet. Epithet is equal to an adjective is not used at its real place. Basic structure S plus V plus O. On place of subject there can be noun. On place of object there can be noun. If the adjective is not used in a right way with subject or in a right way with object, naturally it is not the real place for the adjective. Yet it is used in the sentence. Then what will you think for this? It is used with in the place, in the same line it is used, but at a different place. Maybe with another noun, that is also possible. Maybe possible. Noun can be at the place of subject also, noun can be at the place of object also. And this word adjective is connected here with subject. And if it is used here soon after object, then the connection of adjective cannot be with the object. That will be with subject only, but the place is different. Mira wrote a letter, SVO. Now I want to write something additional idea about the letter. Now, an angry letter, an angry letter, Mira rod. You see here, I have entirely transferred noun and epithet both together. Not at a place, but at another place. Because S plus V plus O structure is not followed. I want to write not angry Mira. A letter angry Mira rod. Transferred epithet. An angry letter Mira rod. Transferred epithet. A letter angry Mira. A letter next to that angry and Mira. Mira is not angry, letter is full of anger. So that an angry letter is fit. Where it is used? It is not used at a place, but at another place it is used. And maybe possible, you may feel it is used with another noun, but it is connected with a particular noun in a right way, That is transferred epithet. Let's move ahead. His honest smile gave him a job in the first round. I explained to you honest and smile, both are in the opposite. But here we will consider it with a different facet. There was with antithesis. Here it is not with antithesis. Here it is with transferred epithet. His honest smile. Think it. Smile, noun, honest, adjective. Adjective and noun combination is used over here, but not at a real place. His honest smile means what? His honest impression. His honest impression is equal to what? He was honest. So that he was selected in the first round. And that honesty only gave him chance in the first round. If you will go ahead, you will come to know this feeling, this idea. But it is not written in this way, it is in a twisted way. His honest smile gave him. He got it through his honesty. But his honest smile gave him a job in the first round itself. Got the idea? Next to that, poor views of him. This is the wrong sentence structure. Poor views of him. How do you use it? No. His pure views. That's all finished. No need to go for of him, this and that. No. His pure views. Poor views of him. Is or are. Aloof in the group. Is totally different from the group. That is what? That is transferred epithet. Because poor views of him. His poor views, yeah, write down it in that way. But adjective is used not at the real place, but at a transferred place. And so that this is the example of transferred epithet. Got the idea? Let's move ahead with another example in the same figures of speech. So see, two more examples will move. The highest height I climbed. Actually, I should write I climbed the highest height. I have not written. The highest height, this I have written first. Actually, I subject climbed V, then afterwards O1 should be here, but the place is changed with adjective. The highest height I climbed. Mount Everest. Nevertheless, such ideas poor worked in the group. Actually, poor should not be used here. Poor should be used here. Nevertheless, poor such ideas worked in the party. But I have not used it. I have used it after this. What I have done? I have changed the place of object. Poor idea, such poor ideas, nevertheless worked in the party. This should be the structure, but I have not made that structure over here. And so that I have changed epithet. So that transferred epithet. Now you will feel a question in your mind that why this transferred epithet is made there in the language. Why is it so? Keep it in your mind. When you want to concentrate not on subject, not on verb, but on adjective, at the time she will give preference not to subject, not to verb, not to object, but to an adjective. She will change the place of adjective. I want to concentrate here the highest height. I don't want to concentrate here with I. I don't want to concentrate here client. I want to concentrate the highest height. Here I want to concentrate nevertheless, any time, not at all possible. Nevertheless, such ideas poor word. Nevertheless, such poor ideas. Sentence structure is changed for focusing at a place, and that would be an adjective through which you will reach till the height of your meaning in your sentence. For that special purpose, transferred epithet is used. Good idea. In this way, we have completed this figures of speech transferred epithet with a few more examples. Try to solve all the sentences. They are given there in your textual exercise. Go ahead with the same. Once again, we will move ahead with next figures of speech. Thank you. Thanks a lot to you all. Whatsoever you want to write down from here. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.